In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show descriptions on Trello cards in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Trello's website. Simply go to trello.com and you'll be on your way to organizing your tasks more efficiently. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. In the upper right corner of the website, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be given several options to log in, such as using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account. You can also choose to log in with your email address if that's what you prefer. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select the board you're interested in working with. From your dashboard, locate the board that you want to connect with and click on it. This will take you to that specific boards page where you can manage cards and lists. Once you're on the desired board, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Power Ups. Click on this button to enhance your board's capabilities with additional features. Within the Power Up menu, you'll want to select the option to add more power-ups. Click on Add Power-Ups, which will allow you to browse through a variety of available enhancements that can be applied to your board. To specifically show descriptions on Trello cards, you'll need to use the search bar that you'll find in the Power-Ups window. Type in Show Description and press Enter. This will filter the power-ups to display only those related to card descriptions. When you see the Show Description option appear in your search results, go ahead and click on Add. This will install the power-up onto your board, making card descriptions more visible at a glance. This feature is really handy for getting an overview of the tasks without having to click into each individual card. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Show Description power-up to your Trello board. This small enhancement can make a significant difference in how you manage and view your tasks, especially when dealing with a large number of cards. Remember, incorporating power-ups into your boards can greatly improve productivity and time management by tailoring Trello to more closely meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing productivity tools like Trello,